Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate a file on a USB flash drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive which can have a capacity of 1 to all the way to a terabyte. In this tutorial, we are not concerned about that as we are not working with large files. If we were working with large files, we would need to have a USB flash drive with a capacity of maybe 1 to 2 terabytes. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. Now let's insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer. If you are dealing with USB Type-C, you will require latest peripherals in order to connect. So let's go to Finder, sidebar, go within locations, click on Kingston. You must have a file ready to be duplicated. So on screen I see new image.pdf. Let's click on this. We can either use Command C, Command V, or we can right click after we highlight and then copy and then right click again within the USB, paste item. And now the item itself is being duplicated and now has been duplicated, called new image copy.pdf. Let's now quit Finder for the moment. Let's now eject the Kingston USB flash drive on screen using Command E. Let's now remove the USB, add the USB back into the Mac computer, open up the USB on screen, Kingston, double click, increase the size of the Kingston USB, and there we go. The duplicated file is still available on screen. Let's now quit Finder, eject the Kingston USB, remove the Kingston USB for a second time. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.